everyone, this is Coach Matt Pippin and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Really quick, on this channel you'll learn all about mobility training and how you can use it to relieve any aches, pain, or tightness you might be feeling, how to use it to reduce future injury, and of course my favorite, which is how to use it to break through those training plateaus and skyrocket your sports performance. Mobility training will help you excel at anything physical you want to go out and do, and I'll show you how. What I'd love for you to do real quick is go and subscribe and turn on any notifications. That way you can get all the amazing videos we're going to be sending out to you. Now that you're here in the Be Strong, Be Mobile community, you're part of a unique group of movers who have the insider tools that are being used by professional sports teams, so get pumped. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Coach Matt Pippin, and I've been a strength and mobility coach for over 15 years, and I've worked with 1,000 professional, collegiate, and everyday athletes, helping them move, feel, and perform at their highest level. I guess you could call me a former meathead turned mobility guy. Why? Well, I've always been active. From baseball to rugby and powerlifting, my love for all these things is what led me into this industry. But all of that abuse did a number on my body, and for years I was trying to find my own solution for some pretty severe injuries that most recently landed me in the hospital with back pain so bad, I'm pretty sure I blacked out a few times. After struggling with these nagging issues and having the ER doctor tell me to go do some hip flexor stretches for my back problems, what you're going to want to do is you want to stretch out these hip flexors here because yours are really knotted up. I finally said enough is enough and started looking at it, any certifications, training programs, or modalities out there. You know the type, the foam rollers, the passive stretching, the icing, you name it. I even used a car buffer, like a car buffer, so you buff a car with, to try and get up the knot. But then I started looking at things differently, and instead of smashing or stretching tissue, I began to ask the question, why are those problems there in the first place? The answer? You can stretch, ice, rest, and foam roll all you want, but those modalities are only getting to the surface and only giving you temporary relief. In order to make real change that lasts, we have to get to the root of the problem. How? With the mobility training tips I'm going to share with you. That's why I'm so excited to be able to bring you the system that has not only helped me change the way I move and feel, but also so many of my clients. So get ready, guys. I promise that if you follow even one of my tips, you will be unstoppable. With that, thank you for being on my channel, and again, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single minute of what I have in store for you.